Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans on PC using hardware virtualization. First, check if your computer supports virtualization technology, which is crucial for smooth emulation. Modern processors from both Intel and AMD typically include this feature. Verify your system meets minimum specifications, like having at least 8 GB of RAM and a quad-core processor. A solid-state drive will also greatly enhance loading times and overall responsiveness. To begin, you must enable virtualization within your PC's BIOS or UEFI settings. This critical step typically involves restarting your computer and pressing a specific key, like Delete, F2, or F10, during boot-up. Navigate to the CPU configuration or security menu and switch on the setting often called Intel VTX or AMDV. Remember to save your changes before exiting, and then let your system restart completely. Now it is time to choose an Android emulator, which acts as your virtual phone. Popular options like BlueStacks, LD Player, or Nox Player are excellent choices, each offering unique features for gamers. Look for an emulator that actively supports hardware virtualization and provides a clean user interface. Download your chosen emulator only from its official website to ensure security and prevent unwanted software installations on your machine. Once your emulator is installed, launch it and complete the initial setup, which usually involves logging in with a Google account. Access the Play Store from within the emulator, then search for and install Clash of Clans. After installation, dive into the emulator's settings to fine-tune performance. Allocate at least 4 CPU cores and 6 GB of RAM if your system allows, ensuring a smooth and responsive gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.